Hello everyone, welcome back. And today's project is about the Indian flag being the Independence Day tomorrow. So this is the previous design. I've done a heart shape, and this is the wreath. So in the form of an Indian flag. So the materials I'm going to use today is this is a chart paper black. I've already given a rough sketch. I've given saffron, white, and green. The kind of brushes I'm going to use is angle brush, that is 1/4, angle brush 3 by 8, and script liner 1. So these are the two angle brushes and one liner brush. And the colors I'm going to use are, this is Pathole green, this is cerulean blue hue, and this is dark cadmium orange. These are the three, and titanium white. So let's start. So I think the previous video you have seen a loading of brush. So load the paint. This is half the brush till the ferrule. Half the brush till the ferrule, so that there is enough paint in the brush for the smooth flow. You can paint anything, kind of flowers you want to. So just taken black and white. Just making a stick of the flag. You can blend it accordingly as you're doing. Blend it properly. So this chart paper is 300 GSM chart paper. It is pretty thick for any kind of design you want to make. It's pretty smooth. There are two sides. One is a little coarse, the other one is smooth. So you can choose the smoother side so that the paints move smoothly. As you blend, make sure the white doesn't travel to the other side. So as you blend, need to blend it in the same place, slowly, carefully, so that you get all three colors: the darker shade of the black, lighter shade of the black, then the white, you can just blend it. You can do the detailing once you just put the background at the end. Yeah. So use the angle brush. You can also do the blends. Just make some vertical strokes, some lines. You can give the wood effect as well. Pick up only black and just smudge. So next, let's fill the flag with any flower you like, which will fit in well inside this box. You can paint rose or any other flower you want to. So I'm just making a small shaped flower. Make it closer so that you don't leave any space. We'll come back and fill in case you have a space. You can fill them as well. So angle brush, it's pretty easy to work with. Your sharp, the petals edges are pretty perfect. So it just has 4 petals. So never mind, even if you're able to fill in the space, make small petals so that you have enough room for other petals to be painted. I don't want too much of white because I want the orange color to be seen more. So you can blend well so that white is not to be seen too much. In case you have a cap, just fill in with petals. But make sure the petals are seen, shouldn't look smudged. So accordingly blend the white or pick up white more to be seen. So have space here. Just make some small petals. So it all look crowded. Like overlapping it to pick some lighter color, because this has the Indian flag has the saffron color, so I just don't want to mix with any other color, so make it more prominent. Just small petals here. I don't want the cap to be seen too much. Yes. So we're going to do the white now. You need to be a little careful as you're painting white and black flowers, because black is a darker color. It can easily smudge. So just want a little bit of black so that it is seen. So it's the same flowers we painted. So I want only the white to be seen. So I just pick once black and the rest of the flower. So you stress more on the angle, the angle brush. You need to stress more on the toe to get a perfect flower and the shape. So once you practice them, the strokes will be perfect. And as you see, I support the position of my hand with little finger. So that's the support as you paint, because it gives you a lot of control. So you need to have a proper control over the brush. It's a perfect project for the kids. They want to paint. A lot of kids are all busy, getting prepared for tomorrow's Independence Day. Though it's COVID and they're not able to celebrate as they used to. But yes, they can create their flags with eco-friendly materials or available materials, whichever is available, easily available. I think I'll just do a bit of white, as always transparent, a little bit, because it's a black background. I will just go over it again. So now we're going to pick up green. This is a lovely green, the Pathole green. It's pretty good. The color is really gorgeous. You can use it for petals, anything to do with green. Just fill in the gaps. Provided the strokes are perfect and each flower is seen. When you overlap, that overlapping should be pretty good where it is seen. So you need to blend the colors accordingly. The same color, whatever we take white, slight alterations can be done. Since I've given the base as a green, not much of green, you don't have to take much of green. Oops, I think it's the colors. So you don't have to pick too much of green. We're focusing more on the white. So circle completely. There you have. More white, because the flag, the center, it's white. Notice there is all three colors here. Blend. How many other colors you want, you can pick up and paint whatever design or project you want to. So let's do some detailing for the stick. So I'm going to pick some white. That was pretty quick since I kept the backgrounds ready. So yeah, you can get this effect. Anything you want to. Just giving a. This is pretty quick. And one stroke painting, the fun while painting one stroke is you get to see the results immediately. You don't have to wait too long, and you get to see, and anything you want to paint, you can utilize these strokes beautifully. It's really amazing how your painting turns out. So that's it for today. And yeah, so this is the flag, and the previous year, yeah, every year I make something related to our Indian flag. So this is the roses which I've painted, and this is the wreath design. So you can pick up your own design and paint anything you want to. So thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay home.